Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Welcome back to the 2023-2024 school year. I just kicked off my tour at Jackson Academy of Math and Music here in Morgan Hill, California. It's my third visit to their school. Such an amazing opportunity to be able to speak my heart to students and staff all across this nation. And speaking of it being my third time here, I'm not like your typical speaker. I don't just come once and then leave. I always offer follow-up, but also I have 5 primary topics, K through 12, that I can speak on. There's bullying, diversity, positivity, leadership, and respect. So I'm able to come to a campus year after year, right? To keep the initial spark alive, to maintain that momentum. And my goal is to change a culture, right? And if I can, be that person that helps your community out, not just your students. I also have a parent program that I update quarterly on cyberbullying and social media to very, very relevant and very important topics in today's world, especially as it relates to the mental health of our young people. And I just started offering a staff enrichment ongoing education workshop, half-day and full-day models, where I'm able to come and speak to your administration and staff members and help with any healing that they might need as well. So it's important when we're thinking about booking a speaker that he's able to not only relate to your students. There's that heart element that I bring to all my assemblies, obviously the high energy, the hip-hop music, the inspirational videos, the picture slides, all of that definitely adds to the message. But the fact that I'm able to reach everyone in that community, whether it is the students themselves, whether it's the parents, whether it's the adults, the teachers, the staff members, that really speaks volumes to making a positive impact on a school campus and climate. All that said, I would love to come talk at your school this coming year. If you've already booked me, that's great, and we'll see you soon. But if not, feel free to check out my website, mrpeace.org, fill out a booking request, or email me or call me directly, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much, and I look forward to inspiring your school. Peace.